Welcome to NUVISAN, the CRO with all services under one roof. NUVISAN is a full-service CRO with its headquarters located in the idyllic surroundings of Bavaria, southern Germany. Situated in Neu-Ulm, you only need to take one of the bridges across the Danube to reach Ulm, birthplace of Albert Einstein and home to the world's tallest church steeple, measured at 530 feet. NUVISAN's commitment to having all services under one roof means that at the Neu-Ulm site we boast a Phase 1 clinic, 2 GLP laboratories for chemical and biological entities, a GMP laboratory, a clinical safety laboratory, and a fully equipped clinical trial supplies department. All of this is supported by our partner on-site back-end services. The Phase 1 clinic itself has a 100-bed overnight stay capacity. There are an additional 40 beds reserved for concentrated assessment periods, for example, intensive pharmacokinetic sampling or cardiovascular measurements. There are a further 5 rooms dedicated to investigational and interventional procedures. At NUVISAN, we take the care of our volunteers very seriously, with recreation rooms, wireless internet coverage, and a complete on-site catering service. With over 35 years of clinical experience, NUVISAN can perform a wide range of Phase 0, Phase 1, Phase 2, and clinical pharmacology studies, including first-in-man drug-drug interaction, bioequivalence, bioavailability, biomarker, as well as studies in special patient populations. NUVISAN also has experience working with biologicals and vaccines. In total, NUVISAN has performed over 1,200 studies, including 21 first-in-man studies in the last 10 years. Among special populations we have recruited for are postmenopausal women, type 2 diabetes patients, and elderly subjects. The study subjects enter the Phase 1 unit into the Study Information Center. Here they are informed about the details of upcoming studies. Once the subjects have decided to enter a particular study, they are registered before attending an information session held by the principal investigator. Subjects are thoroughly informed about all study procedures and risk before being asked to sign an informed consent form. After giving their written informed consent, subjects go through the study-related screening procedures to determine their eligibility for the study. Here at NUVISAN, we take precision very seriously. All our clocks throughout the clinic are radio-controlled and synchronized. All our fridges and freezers are temperature-controlled with logs available for review. If subjects are eligible to take part in a study, only then are they permitted to enter our security-controlled Phase 1 unit. On entry, they are searched for all non-permitted items, for example food, drink and tobacco products. All subjects are also tested for alcohol and other drugs of abuse before being allowed into the unit. Emergency procedures are explained to all volunteers upon entry, including training on how to use the alarm buttons, which are present in all areas of the unit, including bedrooms, bathrooms and shower facilities. Within the Phase 1 unit, there is a comprehensive catering facility. All food is prepared fresh on site and all protocol required diets can be catered for, including EMA and FDA requirements for food effect studies. Access to food is strictly controlled. Subjects must provide their study identification to ensure they receive only the food that they are permitted to consume. The clinic has specially controlled rooms for storage of study medication. Temperatures and storage conditions are carefully logged. There is a special high-security access-restricted zone for narcotic drug products. In our intensive assessment station, there are 20 beds where subjects are placed for dosing, PK/PD sampling, telemetry, ECG and vital signs. The assessment station is equipped with state-of-the-art safety monitoring equipment, as well as emergency resuscitation carts, including a defibrillator. NUVISAN's Phase 1 unit is well connected to 3 hospitals with emergency facilities. The nearest hospital is just 5 minutes drive away. The Phase 1 unit has video surveillance in areas permitted under German law. In the Phase 1 unit we have dedicated areas for sample preparation, including temperature-controlled centrifuges and an ultra-high-speed centrifuge. The sample preparation area contains several -20 and -80 freezers for short to mid-term storage of samples. Also located within our Phase 1 unit is our clinical safety laboratory. Safety parameters can be measured here within a few hours, allowing a quick turnaround on samples with obvious benefits for screening and clinical safety. NUVISAN also has dedicated rooms for specialized assessments. This can be organized to allow assessment areas for gynecology, ophthalmology, spirometry and EEG. Our on-site clinical trial supplies department has the capability for reconstitution, formulation development, manufacturing, production and labeling. Our bioanalytical laboratory is one of the largest in Europe, employing 60 scientists. NUVISAN has over 30 years of experience in the analysis of biomarkers, drugs and metabolites by chromatographic and spectroscopic methods. A full range of pharmaceutical analysis is also available on site, including stability and dissolution testing, release testing, cleaning validation and many other complementary product testing services. Our biopharmaceuticals division provides immunoassay services as well as cell-based assays.